In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and use Microsoft Teams calls in Slack. If your team uses Slack for messaging but relies on Microsoft Teams for calls, this integration brings the two together so you can launch or join a Teams call without leaving Slack. I'll walk you through installing the app, starting a call with a simple command, and joining the call from Slack. Let's begin by installing the app. In Slack, open Apps and Workflows. You'll find this in the sidebar of the desktop or web app. In the search bar, type Microsoft Teams Calls. When you see the integration, click it, then choose Add to Slack. Slack will guide you through a brief permissions screen. Follow the prompts to sign into your Microsoft account, then click Allow or Authorize to connect Slack with Microsoft Teams. This securely links your Slack workspace to your Teams calling capability. If your organization manages app approvals, you might see a note that an admin has to approve it first. That's normal. Once approved, the app will appear in Slack and you're ready to go. Starting a Teams call from Slack is fast and consistent. In any channel, group, or direct message where you want to start a call, use the / command by typing /Teams in the message field and send it. Slack will post a Teams meeting link right there in the conversation. This keeps everything visible to the people who need it, and it gives your teammates one clear place to click when it's time to join. Joining the call is just as simple. Click the Teams link that appears in the Slack thread. Depending on your setup, it will open in the Microsoft Teams desktop app if you have it installed. Otherwise, it will open in your browser. If you're prompted to choose, select the option that works best for you. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Microsoft account to avoid any access issues, and allow your browser or the Teams app to use your microphone and camera if you plan to speak or share video. Once the call opens, you'll see the familiar Teams interface and can proceed as you normally would. And that's all there is to it. You've installed Microsoft Teams calls in Slack, started a call with a simple command, and joined straight from the Slack thread. If something doesn't show up immediately, try refreshing Slack or verifying that the app is installed in the correct workspace. Thanks for watching, and enjoy smoother calling right from your Slack conversations.